Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, guys. Welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, latest price update of a Polygon Matic. But before starting this video, please I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Polygon Matic. Now guys, right now price of Polygon Matic is about 1.46 USD dollar. 146 cent is the right now price of a Polygon. Furthermore guys, if we talk about a price changes, a price update of a Polygon, so the price update is also going positive. But only the last 1 hour update is going negative 0.59%, except of last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occurs in the Polygon Matic is completely positive, guys. So guys, from this update, that's clear that from 7 days, the Polygon price is positive. From 7 days, the Polygon price is in the pumping mode, guys. And I hope, guys, that now Polygon starts jumps. So I believe you can see your unbelievable jumps occur by a Polygon Matic. And still guys, if you look at the latest situation of a Polygon Matic, so in the latest situation, Polygon is also in the jumping mode, guys. I'm sure about the future of Polygon that they will continue this jump for a long time, guys. Positive 12.85% changes occur in a Polygon, and 147 cent is the highest price. The currently price, the live price is the highest price of a Polygon Matic. So Polygon Matic, very congrats to all of you guys. Please click the subscribe button right now for more this kind of news and updates videos.